Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. This is the second video I do on the Matchbox Best of Cars from 2017. It is not entirely clear to me what the series is actually called. Sorry for the shaky camera. This says Best of Matchbox here on the front. And then when we look at the back, it says the same. Here I'll zoom in. Best of Matchbox collection, it says there. Okay, but I also have a box where the first series came in, because I bought a complete box of the first series because I thought those cars were more appealing to me. Here it says Best Matchbox Best of the World. Okay, so that's kind of confusing to me. First video only got 45 views. Maybe it's because I called it the Best of the World and not Best of Matchbox. Maybe I should rename that video. Maybe this video will also get little views, but that's okay. I want to open these up, and I always try to open them up on camera, everything I open. So I don't have a complete series because I didn't get a complete box, and the Alfa Romeo Giulia and the Bentley Continental GT are so popular they were sold out. These I got a little bit cheaper because they have a bent card. So, well, not all of them, but most of them I got a little bit cheaper. I will also, like I did in the first video, show a mainline or a few mainline versions of these, which I did not have until recently. Now I have a mainline version of each and every one of them. So let's crack on with it and open this up. So we get the cardboard box. I'll show the box here. 2016 copyright, Best of Matchbox. So pretty much the same all around. Series 2. So a lot of information on the car. So here we have it. So we get a plastic base, a metal body, but we do get rubber tires. So that's nice. We get full deco. It has blue windows, so we get a blue light bar. That is very nice. It says Matchbox Police Department Chief, and then here it says for official use only. In the front, unfortunately, not a lot of details, just some black paint on the what I think is supposed to be some kind of a protection for the winch. So same on the other side, I guess. Yeah, it has the Blazer name on the side too, underneath Chief. On the back we get some tail lights. We get the door handle, and then we get a completely useless trailer hitch because it's way too high up there, and we get the hole for the antenna, but there's no antenna included. Don't know why they did not include that. I think there's some stuff in the back here too. It's kind of hard to see what it is. Maybe if I take my little light we can figure that out. So let's see. What on earth is that? It looks like a cross shape. I don't know what that is. I have no idea. No, couldn't tell you what it is. It's a cross shape in there, but I don't know what it is, what it what it's for. It's probably something police related, but I don't know what it is. Anyways, so, and then here it says Police Unit 11. I think this is a reference to a TV series, but I don't know much about that. Kind of a nice, it's not, doesn't really have suspension, but you know, it's, you can wriggle around with it, so it's got some life to it, the suspension, or the would-be suspension. Kind of cool. And then this one I acquired recently. This is the 2019 retooling. This one unfortunately does not have the blue windows, so it lost the spot in the back for the antenna. They could also have removed the trailer hitch because it's completely useless. What I do like is that they did not put a post in the back like they do with most retoolings, so it still has the rivet all the way in the back here. There's an extra piece here for the rivet, so that's really cool that they did not change that. The rest of it I think looks pretty much the same. Still got the winch in the front. The base is a little bit different, I see now. It's got these round things here. You see that the original tooling does not have. I don't know what that's for. Couldn't tell you. So, although it does not. 2016 it says. Okay, that's weird. 1989 is the original, and 2016 this one. I thought this was the first version they released of this one, but apparently it must have been released earlier because it has a 2016 copyright. Matchbox 129. Yeah, that's still the same. So that's that. Then the next one, the Dodge Magnum Police, is the only one I paid a little bit more for, although the card also has a little bit of a bend, as you can see, but still, you know, anyways. So here we get the box. Everything is the same information wise. And here we have the car. So the Dodge Magnum Police. This one has a separate piece for the light bar on top. That's cool. You get the headlights, Dodge emblem, and the fog lights bottom. So again, plastic base, metal body, and rubber tires. Very dirty here. Need to clean it off a little bit. So, police community service first. Dodge. Got a best of the world license plate. Very cool model. Love my station wagons. And this is a mainline version I acquired at the beginning of this year. Also called Dodge Magnum Police, because there's variations of this one with surfboards or with nothing on the roof. Also with the separate light bar. Sheriff Brazos County. This one of course does not get the taillights or headlights, it just gets the side deco. So this has a 2005 copyright, and I'm guessing this one too. Yeah, it's the same. So no changes for these. And next up we got the Lamborghini Miura P400S. Now I already opened up this one in the A case because it was also in there. So this is the box. Already showed that in the other video. So this is a very nice version of this Lamborghini. Very cool color combination. It's got a blue plastic base and the blue metal body with the rubber tires. This one's got the slicks on it. So it's got the gold piece here, which is part of the interior. That is also gold. Got the black louvers here in the back. That must be a separate part. Got the gold rims. And here we got also a black piece in the front. This painted headlights, Lamborghini emblem, the ventilation in the front here, and in the back get the taillights, the Lamborghini name, the Miura name. It's an S version, best of the world license plate, and then a black bumper piece underneath. So very detailed, very nice model. And I've got one here from a 5-pack, it was also in a 20-pack, a multi-pack version, let's call it that, multi-pack exclusive. So this is a 2010 copyright casting, P400S 1968. Doesn't say 1968 on the box, by the way. So it does also have the details in the front and in the back. So apparently the louvers and the front bumper are the same piece, because these are a little bit see-through, and the bumper here is also a little bit see-through, but here it's a black plastic, and here, although it does seem to be a little bit see-through also now that I see it in the light. So maybe this plastic piece is painted, I don't know. It doesn't look as see-through as this one. See? They seem pretty much the same here in the back, and then when you look at them in the front, the gold one seems to have a much lighter bumper than the blue one. Maybe it's the color of the vehicle that influences that, that's possible. So gold one also gets all the details in the back. 400 Lambo it says on the license plate. So actually it is just as detailed as the premium version, with the exception of the rubber tires. That's cool. Very nice, multi-pack exclusive. Very nice model. There's not a lot of them made. I think there's a yellow version and an orange version. And that's about it, I think. So, very cool one to have. And the last one is the last one I have is the Porsche 914-6, which of course stands for 6 cylinders. Because there was also a version that only had 4 cylinders. So this is the box. Here's the car. So a lot of information on it, but I don't think I will be able to read all that. Racing Specialties, Deluxe Engineering, number 91. So it's got a grille, a chrome piece here in the front that is part of the interior, and then it's got also a black plastic piece on top, and in the back too, by the way. That's nice, nicely detailed. Love the rims too. Rubber tires, of course, plastic base, metal body. These do have thread on them. So detailed tail lights, 914 in the back. Here we got the same with the addition of a number 4 here. And also, now we can read it, Earl B. Contact or something. Number 4 and number 91. It's got the little indicator lights and the small lights in the front on the wings here. Nicely detailed model. It's got a plastic top here. The window in the back doesn't seem to be see-through. It is see-through, but because of the interior that is way up high, you can't really see through it. And then I have a few versions of this one. This is a multi-pack exclusive in yellow. So pretty much the same except for the racing livery. So it's got the detail in the front and back, but without the racing deco. Then I've got a carded one. This was new in 2010, but there were different shades of green this was released in, so I only have this version, 71 Porsche 914 it says on the card, 2010 release. So this one also has the details in the front and in the back, but nothing on the side and in the front here, because it's not a racing version either. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.